What you're about to witness is not just a construction project. It is the birth of a hidden sanctuary forged by one man's will. Deep in the heart of the jungle, an astonishing transformation is about to unfold. Using only the forest's gifts, he will build the impossible. Stay with us as a dream is carved into reality, one piece at a time. The first ascent begins a bridge between the earth and the sky. Every knot and joint is a testament to careful planning. He climbs towards his vision, trusting the work of his own hands. High above the forest floor, the real work begins. The structure rises, a skeleton of wood against a backdrop of green. Each step is tested, ensuring the foundation is as strong as his resolve. From a distance, the scale of the undertaking becomes clear. Back on the ground, the next phase of the vision is prepared. With unwavering confidence, he returns to his perch in the trees. The forest's silence is broken only by the sound of focused creation. A seamless rhythm of effort and efficiency. The day's work is done, the first chapter complete. The tools are laid to rest, but the vision continues to grow. The new structure stands proud, a testament to what is possible. A moment of reflection, admiring the foundation of a dream. Now, a new chapter begins with the versatile gift of bamboo. Each stalk is carefully selected and prepared. The raw materials are stockpiled, a palette for the artist. With masterful skill, he transforms the bamboo, revealing its inner strength. On a new foundation, a more ambitious structure begins to rise. This is not just building, it is a form of architecture born of nature itself. As the structure grows taller, so does the risk. He pauses, surveying the progress from his new vantage point. The intricate design takes shape, a fusion of wood and bamboo. Final adjustments are made, ensuring perfect stability. A new element is introduced, hinting at a pathway. The lower levels are reinforced, the details meticulously crafted. The work is nearly done, a marvel of natural engineering. He continues to refine the upper levels with delicate precision. A look of quiet satisfaction, the vision is almost real. Every part of the structure receives his full attention. One final inspection of the breathtaking framework. The last pieces are secured into place. He can now stand proudly atop his creation. A structure that seems to have grown right out of the forest floor. But the ultimate vision is grander still. The work is not over. Behold the masterpiece, a spiral staircase wrapping a forest giant. He ascends his creation, a pathway to a home in the canopy. Here, high above the world, a new sanctuary will be born. A moment of rest before the final, most intricate phase. The floor of the treehouse begins to take shape. The pace quickens, the builder working in perfect harmony with his materials. The platform is complete, a stage for the final act. He descends, ready to prepare the elements for the walls and roof. Looking up, he visualizes the home that will soon stand there. The forest once again provides everything that is needed. A stockpile of bamboo grows, each piece destined for a purpose. The outer layers are stripped away, revealing the core strength within. A beautiful collection of processed bamboo, ready for construction. He selects only the best pieces for his elevated home. Each piece is measured and cut with exacting precision. The materials are organized, the blueprint held only in his mind. He looks upon his work, the culmination of days of tireless effort. With the materials prepared, a new phase of the vision begins. The forest provides the canvas, his ingenuity, the brush. The process starts again, with each cut more refined than the last. Even the forest's inhabitants seem to watch in quiet curiosity. He returns to the sky, ready to build the walls of his sanctuary. The platform is transformed into the floor of a home. Carefully, he secures the flooring, creating a solid base. He stands within the footprint of his future home, imagining what's next. The work continues, a patient and meditative process. Each piece is meticulously placed, a note in a silent symphony. The structure breathes, becoming one with its ancient host. Patience and precision are his only guides. The dream is now taking tangible form. The floor is complete, a perfect foundation for the walls to come. He surveys his handiwork, a solid platform among the leaves. The careful descent marks the end of another successful day. From the ground, the treehouse already looks like a natural part of the jungle. It is a testament to sustainable design. A structure that honors the tree it calls home. The sun filters through the leaves, casting a glow on the project. The vision is clear, the path forward certain. The final preparations are underway. Now, the focus turns to creating the skin of the shelter. Thin, flexible strips of bamboo are expertly crafted. He carries the precious materials up the spiral staircase. The weight is heavy, but his determination is heavier. Inside the structure, the weaving of the walls begins. From the outside, the house truly begins to look like a home. A large panel of woven bamboo is carefully maneuvered into place. The walls rise quickly, a testament to his efficient technique. The close-up reveals the beautiful, intricate pattern of the weave. It is both a functional wall and a work of art. The pattern is consistent, strong, and visually stunning. A perfect fusion of natural beauty and human ingenuity. Inside, he trims the excess, ensuring a clean, finished look. The interior is becoming a snug, secure space. The final touches are applied to the flooring. The treehouse is complete, a jewel in the jungle's crown. He sits inside his creation, a master of his own small universe. It stands as a symbol of what can be achieved with vision and respect for nature. The details are breathtaking, a testament to the builder's artistry. The final view, a man at peace in the home he built with his own two hands. The final phase involves enclosing the structure, creating a true shelter. A window is framed, a portal to the verdant world outside. The walls are meticulously assembled, piece by piece. The house now has a defined shape, a charming cabin in the trees. The window frame is carefully adjusted for a perfect fit. He returns to the forest floor to prepare more bamboo. The treehouse looms above, a constant inspiration. This delicate process will create a unique building component. Back in the treehouse, the walls are filled in with patience and care. Attention now turns to the roof, the final piece of the enclosure. A hammer is used, blending traditional techniques with modern tools. The roofing material is laid, promising protection from the elements. The house is finished, a complete and sturdy structure. But the craftsman's work is never truly done. Now for the lanai. The staircase also receives its finishing touches. A final walkthrough to ensure every detail is perfect. His pride in the work is evident in his careful inspection. The finished product is a breathtaking sight. Finally, a moment of rest to enjoy the fruits of his labor. The treehouse stands, a dream made real. With the main structure complete, the focus shifts to interior details. The finished home, complete with its elegant spiral staircase, is a marvel. He descends with care, his movements fluid and confident. The roof is reinforced, ensuring the home is secure and dry. The addition of a window brings the outside in. Now for the final, artistic touch, a beautiful, curved lanai. He checks the strength of the railing, ensuring both beauty and safety. The last elements of the staircase are secured. From below, the builder admires his masterpiece. It is a structure that is both strong and graceful. Even the base of the staircase is anchored with care. The house is now a home, warmed by the first fire. The gentle flame creates an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. A warm, inviting glow emanates from the treetop haven. It is a scene of perfect harmony between man and nature. The fire dances, a symbol of life and warmth in the wild. The sanctuary is alive, a beacon in the quiet jungle. This is the ultimate reward for his incredible journey of creation. A home built from dreams, sustained by the elements. With the home complete, it is time to enjoy this new life. He prepares a simple meal, a feast in his palace in the trees. A very special thank you to the owner of the survival skills for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.